Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change the currency on Interactive Brokers. First, log in to your Interactive Brokers account. Next, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then go to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll all the way down until you see Base Currency. Click on Base Currency, then choose the currency you want to set as your default. Save your changes. The new currency will take effect on the next trading day and will update your reports and accounting. Important note, this is only changes your reporting currency. Charts for US tax will display in USD. And that's it. That's how to change your currency on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.